Are you over 40 and thinking it's too late to start an online business? Think again. The online business world is booming and there's never been a better time to jump in, no matter your age. In this video, I'm going to reveal some of the most profitable online business models that are perfect for people over 40. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, there's something here for everyone. Stay tuned until the end and I'll share how you can get started today. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please hit the like button because that motivates me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. Let's jump right in. Let's get started with tip number 1, which is online coaching or consulting. If you have some expertise in a particular field, online coaching or consulting can be incredibly lucrative. Whether it's life coaching, career advice, or even specialised consulting like finance or marketing, people are willing to pay for guidance from someone who's been there and done it. Leverage your years of experience to help others navigate their online paths. For example, if you've spent decades in HR, you could perhaps offer career coaching or resume consultations that help people land their dream jobs. The best part, you don't need a fancy website or any expensive tools to actually get started. You can begin by offering sessions over Zoom or Skype and promote your services on social media or through word of mouth. I recommend that you consider creating a LinkedIn profile that highlights your best skills and your experience. By positioning yourself as an expert, you can attract clients who value your insights. Now, to help you scale this business, I recommend that you consider creating packages or group coaching sessions that allow you to help multiple clients at once. I recommend that you record your sessions with permission, create content and turn it into online courses or eBooks. This way you're not just trading time for money, you're also building a sustainable income stream. Let's now move on to tip number 2, which is blogging or niche websites. Blogging is far from dead and niche websites remain one of the best ways to generate passive income. I suggest that you choose a topic you're passionate about, which can be anything from travel to health to personal finance, and start creating highly valuable content. Now, with consistency, high quality posts, you can attract a loyal audience and monetize through ads, affiliate marketing, or even your own products. For instance, a blog about healthy living for people over 40 could include affiliate links to recommend supplements, fitness exercise and equipment, or even online courses. SEO, which is search engine optimization, is crucial for driving traffic to your website. I recommend that you spend some time learning the basics of SEO, like keyword research and optimizing your posts for search engines like Google. Tools like Google Analytics can help you to track your progress and refine your content strategy over time. Monetization options are vast. You can display Google AdSense ads, you can also join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, or you can even create a subscription-based model with exclusive content. As your site grows, you can diversify income streams and sources and maximize your earnings. The key is consistency. I recommend to keep creating content that resonates really well with your audience and watch your blog evolve into a profitable online business. Let's now move on to tip number 3, which is e-commerce and dropshipping. E-commerce and dropshipping offer a fantastic opportunity to sell products without the need for inventory or upfront investment. Dropshipping allows you to sell products directly from suppliers to customers without handling any of the stock yourself. With platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, setting up an online store is easier than ever. I recommend that you find a niche that excites you, something like home decor, fitness gear, or even pet accessories, and then research trending products within that niche. To help you stand out, I recommend that you focus on creating a unique brand that resonates really well with your target market. Think about your own buying habits. What kind of store would grab your attention? I recommend that you create highly engaging product descriptions, use high quality images, and ensure your website is very user friendly. Paid ads on social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram can help you to drive traffic to your online store really quickly. One major advantage of dropshipping is the ability to test multiple products without having a huge financial commitment. I recommend that you pay attention to customer feedback, tweak your offerings and find what sells best. As you gain traction, consider adding your products or exploring print-on-demand services for custom items. The possibilities are endless. Let me now give you tip number 4, which is creating and selling online courses. Online courses are one of the most scalable and profitable ways to monetize your knowledge. If you have expertise in any area, be it cooking, personal finance, or even digital marketing, you can create an online course around it. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, and Skillshare make it very easy to get started with minimal technical skills. Think about the questions people frequently ask you. Those topics could be the foundation of your online course. Creating a course involves outlining the curriculum, recording video lessons, and adding supplementary materials like PDFs or quizzes. You don't need a fancy studio setup, just good content and a decent camera. For example, if you're skilled in photography, you could create a course teaching others how to take great photos with their smartphones. Once your online course is live, I recommend that you promote it through social media channels such as Instagram and TikTok, and email lists, and even use blogging. Over time, you can build a library of courses that generate consistent income. Plus, you'll be helping others gain valuable new skills, which can be incredibly rewarding. Let me now give you tip number 5, which is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting other people's products or services. It's an excellent choice for those who don't want to deal with creating products or handling customer service. You can promote anything from software and digital tools to physical products through affiliate programs. For example, if you're into fitness, you could promote exercise gear, supplements, or fitness courses through platforms like Amazon Associates or Share a Sale. The key to success in affiliate marketing is to choose products that align really well with your audience's needs, their pain points, and their interests. You can integrate affiliate links into blog posts, YouTube videos, social media, or even through email marketing. The more targeted your promotions, the higher your conversion rates will be. Transparency is crucial. Always disclose your affiliate relationships and focus on adding really good value to your audience, rather than just pushing products. I recommend to offer genuine reviews, tutorials, or comparisons to really help people make informed buying decisions. This approach builds trust and encourages more clicks on your affiliate links, leading to higher earnings. Let's now move on to tip number 6, which is self-publishing ebooks. If you have a passion for writing, self-publishing ebooks is a fantastic way to earn passive income. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, allow you to publish and sell your books without the need for a traditional publisher. I recommend that you write about topics that interest you or solve problems and pain points that people are searching for. For instance, if you're navigated a career change, you could write an ebook on transitioning careers after 40. Publishing is just the beginning. Marketing is where you'll make or break your sales. I recommend that you utilize social media, email lists, and even book promotions through Amazon's advertising platform to get your book in front of the right readers. Consider offering your ebook at a lower price or even for free for a limited time to generate some reviews and boost its visibility. Another strategy is to create a series of shorter books instead of just one long one, as this can keep readers engaged and returning for more. The more content that you have out there, the more opportunities you have to generate income. Plus, each book can serve as a lead magnet for other products or services, creating a complete sales funnel. Let's now move on to tip number 7, which is a print-on-demand merchandise. Print-on-demand or POD is perfect if you're creative and want to sell custom merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, or even phone cases without holding any inventory. Platforms like Printful, Printify, and Redbubble allow you to design products that are printed and shipped on demand when a customer makes a purchase. This means you can focus on the fun part, creating designs without worrying about any logistics. I recommend that you identify a niche market that would love your designs, whether it's funny quotes, pet lovers, or even niche hobbies. I then suggest that you create unique designs that speak to that audience and set up your store on Shopify, Etsy, or even Amazon. To get your designs noticed, I suggest that you use social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest, which are visually driven and perfect for showing off your creations. One key to success in POD is staying on top of trends and constantly refreshing your offerings. I suggest that you use tools like Google Trends or Etsy's search suggestions to find popular keywords and design ideas. By being agile and responsive to what's popular, you can continuously drive sales and grow your business. Let me now give you tip number 8, which is virtual assistant services. Virtual assistants or VAs are in high demand as businesses increasingly outsource tasks to focus on their core operations. If you're organised, detail-oriented and have strong communication skills, becoming a VA could be highly profitable. You can offer a variety of services including email management, social media scheduling, bookkeeping or even customer service. Think about tasks that you're skilled at and build your VA business around those strengths. Getting started is fairly simple. You can create a profile on platforms like Upwork.com, Fiverr.com or even LinkedIn, highlighting your skills and your experience. To help you stand out, I recommend that you consider niching down to a specific type of client, like real estate agents or e-commerce store owners. For example, if you have experience in social media management, you could specialise in helping small businesses grow their online presence. As your client base grows, you can scale your business by offering premium services or hiring other VAs to work under you. This allows you to move from being a solo operator to managing a small team, significantly increasing your income potential. Let's now move on to tip number 9, which is a subscription box service. Subscription box services are all the rage, and they're a great way to create a recurring revenue stream. From gourmet snacks to beauty products to monthly self-care kits, there's a subscription box for almost every niche imaginable. I recommend that you start by identifying a theme that excites you and solves a problem or adds value for your target audience. For instance, if you love gardening, you could create a monthly box of seeds, tools and tips specifically for novice gardeners over 40. The key to success is creating an unforgettable unboxing experience. Your customers should feel delighted every time they receive their box. I recommend that you focus on high quality packaging, thoughtful curation and including items that surprise and delight your subscribers. Don't forget to ask for feedback to improve the contents continually. Marketing your subscription box can be done through social media, influencer partnerships and even creating a community around your brand. I recommend that you use platforms like Cratejoy to reach a larger audience and manage your subscriptions efficiently. With a great product and consistent marketing, your subscription box business can quickly become a profitable venture. There you have it, 9 profitable online business models perfect for anyone over 40 looking to break into the online business world. Now, the next thing to do to accelerate your learning even further is click the link in the description box below this video right now and go through to my website www.digitalprofitsnetwork.com. and you can get instant access to our comprehensive online training courses and resources. These are fantastic resources and are perfect for beginners and people of all ability levels, and will guide you every step of the way to starting your own successful online business, and will also help you to generate an income online. So take action and check out that link right now below to learn more. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I can only help you if you are subscribed. And please give the video a thumbs up because that really does energise me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel, and have a wonderful day.